You ever sit down at your kitchen table after a long day, open your laptop, and look at your bank account, and it just isn't what you expected? You start scanning your bills, rent, utilities, the car payment, groceries, maybe even that subscription you forgot about. Suddenly, your paycheck feels like it's already gone before you even finish your coffee, and you lean back in your chair and wonder, how did it get this way? I work hard. I do everything right. Why does it always feel like I'm behind? If you've ever felt that exact moment, that sinking feeling that no matter how much effort you put in, money still slips through your fingers, I want you to know you're not alone and it's not your fault. It's the system, the expectations, and the opportunities that most people aren't seeing yet. And that's exactly what I want to talk about today. I'm Rose, a certified public accountant, and I've spent years studying how money actually works. So you don't have to. I have seen people struggle paycheck to paycheck, while others are quietly replacing their 9 to 5 incomes, building multiple streams of revenue online, and creating real financial freedom. And here's the thing. None of it requires starting with millions or being some kind of genius. It's about knowing where to focus, what to avoid, and how to use the tools available today to your advantage. So let's start with AI automation. Imagine if you could have a tool that handles repetitive tasks for you while you focus on higher value work. Businesses, creators, and entrepreneurs are using AI to write emails, generate graphics, manage social media, and even handle customer service. You can do the same. Start small. Look at your own workflow and figure out the tasks that eat up time, but don't require your unique skills. Maybe it's drafting social media posts, responding to simple emails, or formatting documents. There are tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Midjourney, and others that can do the heavy lifting. The trick is to automate a small part first, see the time you save, and gradually scale. One person using AI effectively can accomplish what used to take a team of 10. It's not magic, it's leverage. Then there's service arbitrage. It sounds fancy, but it's really just connecting clients to services you outsource. You don't have to do everything yourself. Let's say a small business needs a website. You don't need to know how to code. You hire a freelancer at a reasonable rate, deliver the final product to the client, and take a margin for yourself. Your value comes from managing the project, making sure it meets quality standards, and ensuring the client is happy. You can start with one service, one client, and slowly build a business around it. The best part is you can do this with very little capital, no technical expertise, and it scales as you grow more clients. It's about using systems, not just sweat. Digital products are another powerful strategy. You create something once, like an ebook, a template, a printable, or a short online course, and it can sell again and again. Start with what you know. Maybe you're great at budgeting, cooking, design, or organizing spreadsheets. Package that knowledge into something simple and sell it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable. Don't wait for perfection. Your first product might not be flawless, but it will teach you how to improve, and it can start earning money immediately. Digital products are incredible because your time is spent creating once, and then your income keeps rolling in while you focus on other things. Content creation, especially YouTube, is another way people are replacing their 9s to 5s faster than ever. You don't need a fancy camera or a production studio. Pick a niche you know or are passionate about: personal finance, side hustles, skill building, whatever feels natural to you. Start making content consistently. Use AI to help with scripts, thumbnails, and even video editing if you need to save time. Engage with your audience in the comments, ask them questions, and create a sense of community. Over time, ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate links, and your own digital products can create a multiple stream income that grows steadily. Consistency is key, not perfection. Small, repeated actions compound over time, just like investing in stocks. Speaking of investing, mindset is important if you want to make money and become rich. The way you think about money can either trap you or propel you forward. Stop seeing money as something scarce and start viewing it as a tool. Every dollar can work for you if you allocate it intentionally. That means paying yourself first, investing in assets that grow, and using profits to build systems that free your time. Treat failure as information, not shame. Every setback is data for your next move. Reinvest what you earn, automate where possible, and gradually layer multiple streams of income. Even 1 hour a day focused on creating, learning, or automating can snowball into financial freedom if you stick with it. Daily habits matter too. Track your finances so you always know where your money is going. Plan your week in blocks, allocating focused time for AI projects, client work, or content creation. Network with peers and mentors who inspire you and share knowledge. These small routines compound, and over a year, they can transform your life. People who successfully replace their 9-to-5 income are not working harder. They're working smarter, consistently, and strategically. There are countless examples of people doing this. Jane, a busy mom, started using AI to write social media posts for local businesses. She took one client at a time, reinvested her earnings into automation, and within 6 months, she had fully replaced her old income. Mark, a designer, spent one weekend creating spreadsheet templates and digital planners, and now he earns thousands a month on autopilot. Lisa launched a YouTube channel about side hustles, using AI for scripts and editing, and now she makes more from ads and sponsorships than she ever did at her 9-to-5. These aren't anomalies. They're repeatable strategies that anyone willing to put in consistent, focused effort can follow. The fastest path to replacing a 9-to-5 in 2025 is not complicated. It's about using AI and automation to multiply your productivity, exploring service arbitrage for immediate cash flow, creating digital products for scalable income, building content platforms like YouTube for multiple revenue streams, and maintaining a mindset and daily habits that support growth. Start with one approach, master it, and layer the others over time. You don't need millions or luck, just focus, consistency, and smart action. Small steps taken daily compound into real wealth. If you found this helpful, subscribe and share it with someone you feel might benefit from this information. Check out my next video where I talk about the progressive income trap and why most people never get ahead, no matter how hard they work. I'll see you there.